Updating your bathrooms is always a good investment, whether you're staying in or selling your home. Savvy buyers look to see the status of your bathroom, so if it's needed, why not update so that you can enjoy the space while you're living there? This was a budget update of a standard hall bath. Storage is the key goal for a bath shared by multiple users. We chose a vanity with drawers of various sizes to keep small items organized. It also has an open area for larger items. A recessed medicine cabinet and a wall-mounted cabinet each add additional storage for bottles and sprays, and the mirrors on the front add an extra reflection to the space. Aren't these barn door shower doors fun? Installing glass doors help to make the space feel larger and shows off the new tile wall. If you're remodeling your shower or bath, there are 2 easy changes that are well worth it. Once the old tile is off the walls, have your installer build a recessed niche to store shampoo and soap bottles. Additionally, add a hand shower when the walls are accessible. It makes cleaning easy and can be used additionally with either a shower or bath. Hooks are a fun alternative to traditional towel bars. Here we have 8 hooks and the heat vent is right below them. Towels can hang and air dry quickly, and the additional hooks can be used for swimsuits and other wet items. Finally, keep your finishes neutral and timeless. Kids grow quickly and their styles change, but you can still have some fun and choose interesting tile as long as your overall look stays clean and neutral. Want to know how much this exact bathroom costs to renovate? Go to newperspectivedesign.com and check it out, or better yet, give me a call and we can put together a plan for your project. Thanks for watching, and hopefully now you have a new perspective.